The Argan Trio Compact Green with Envy. Step 1. First, start by applying Silk Oil of Morocco's Argan Antioxidant Primer to the entire face using Silk's blending sponge. Priming provides a perfect moisturising base prior to makeup application. Step 2. Apply foundation. Using the same Silk blending sponge and your cream compact, blend the foundation over the entire face. A tip to flawless coverage is to apply the heaviest amount of foundation in the centre of the face and then blend out. Step 3. Contour. Using a Silk foundation brush and a cream compact 3 shades darker than your natural skin tone, draw a line down the hollows of the cheeks, down the sides of the nose and across the forehead. Then take a damp Silk blending sponge to blend the foundation together using a bounce and roll motion. This will push the foundation into the skin, giving an airbrushed finish. Set the under eye area by patting Argan powder in Ivory under the eye. Sweep the Argan powder down the bridge of the nose and up onto the forehead. Then take the Argan 7-in-1 bronzer and using a Silk angled brush to buff bronzer onto the areas that we contoured, the hollows of the cheeks, the sides of the nose, forehead and blend down to the neck. Use a Silk blush brush to sweep blush onto the apples of the cheeks. Highlight. To highlight, use a large fan brush and apply Argan body shimmer to the high points of the cheeks and sweep up onto the brow bone. Next we move on to brows. Take the brow fixing gel and comb the brow hairs into position. Then use the applicator to apply Argan fibres to the arch and tail end of the brow and fill in any sparse areas at the front of the brow. Finally, apply fixing gel for a second time to set fibres in place and keep brow in shape all day. For the eyes, we'll be using gorgeous green Apple Trio palette. First, apply the lighter shade in the palette to the entire lid, blending upwards to the brow bone. To really make the eye pop, spray your shadow brush with Argan Thermal Protection Spray and pick up some more of the light shadow. This will dampen the brush hairs and allow us to apply a highly pigmented pop of shadow to the centre of the eye. Then take the same brush and apply the medium green shade to the entire mobile eyelid. To define the contours of the eye, take a smudge brush and work the darkest shadow into the outer corners of the eye, up into the crease and connect with the upper lash line. Take a smaller shadow brush and apply shadow to the inner corners of the eye and use the smudge brush to blend the darker shadow onto the lower lash line. Then use the Silk Blend eye brush to blend away any harsh lines. For this look, we want a strong winged liner. So use the Argan eyeliner in black and the angled eye brush to line the top lash line. Use short strokes to thinly line the inner eye, gradually getting thicker as you move towards the end of the lash line. Close the eye and draw a straight flick that connects to the top lash line. To finish your Green with Envy look, apply the Argan lipstick in Watermelon and Argan Fibre Lash Mascara.